All right, I want to introduce glitch.com. Glitch.com is an IDE, an integrated development environment, and that means that you can code here and see what the code will, how the code will visually appear. And we're going to use it to code web applications, and the great thing about Glitch is it also hosts those applications as a web page with a URL that you at least partly define, that you can share with anyone in the world, that's not blocking Glitch. I don't know if Glitch is available in China, for instance. So, uh, this is not the only IDE we'll use during the course of the semester, but it's our introduction to the IDE. I'm going to sign up. Actually, I'm going to log in, but you will sign up. And I would recommend that you sign up with GitHub. So I'm going to log in with GitHub. And actually, here's my, okay. So if you don't have a GitHub account, go ahead and get one. GitHub has introduced two-factor identification now, so that's a pain. You have to have a phone. There may be some way around it that they'll send you, I don't know. All I see is SMS, but I don't know, maybe there's another. The two-factor thing is I'm of very much dubious about the whole two-factor thing. I'm not even sure how bad that was to show you those codes in terms of security. So this is my Interactimation account with Glitch. I think I have a couple others, but I'm signed in, and then I can also just sign in to my GitHub, and then when I go to sign in to Glitch, just click the sign in with GitHub, and then I don't have to go through that process again, which is nice. So I have this is my logo. Interactimation I am is my kind of logo for that. And if I click the little icon and then click it again when it shows up here, I end up at this page. And this page has my playlists. And what you will do is create a playlist just for this class. Now, you don't have to have everything in that playlist. In fact, you can create multiple playlists. And in fact, let's just create one now. I'll call this CSC 391. And now I can create projects here. And then I can share this URL with others. And that's what you'll do with me. We'll get to that later. So I want to create a new project. And I guess, here's new project. And I'm going to create you know what, this is a good place for us to stop, because I'm going to share a project with you, so you're not going to have to create a new one. You're going to modify an old one. So this is how to sign into and create new projects. This is Hello website, but I usually if I'm going to make a website, I usually go to Find More, and then Basic Website, blank version. It has less stuff. I guess I will go ahead and demonstrate this. So, Glitch is well named. It's glitchy and it's slow. And if you want to share things with the world, they may have a little load time. So it's worth considering that this is for prototyping, not for finished products. So here's my index page. This is a README Markdown page. We'll look at Markdown a little bit later. Actually, we can edit this Markdown. So Markdown is a plain text format that allows you to make human readable formatting indicators, but it's still just plain text. Then you can use a formatter, a README formatter, to format the text, but it's always still underneath. It's just like this. So you can make whole web pages with Markdown. This is what it looks like. Preview. So this is a headline, and here's the edit. The headline is indicated by this hashtag, and this is a smaller headline. And then these are all these little slashes, these kind of back ticks, set off these lines as code, as separate from text. This is a link. This is how a link is made. So if I look at the preview, we can see these little arrows were in there, the different size headlines. This is a different font, and it's because it's been set off as code. This is a link. So that's what Markdown is. Over here is my index page, and I can make this sidebar go away, so it's always still there. But the index shows the, so here's the title, Hello World, and then down here somewhere, yeah, here's the headline, Hello World, and I should have a preview, yeah. So over here is the preview of how the page will look. And if I change this headline from Hello World to Hello Waldo, it changes instantly over here. I don't have to save or anything. Now, not all IDEs are like that. A lot of them you have to save on this side in order for it to show up on this side, but not Glitch. That's handy. Here's a preview in a new window. And so this is a web page. Ritzy Swift Syzygy, that's a word you don't see every day, .glitch.me. And I can change all this part. I could say my favorite list of restaurants, favorite restaurants, and it'll be glitch.me, and that's not a terrible kind of URL to share. I could brand this with my company brand, but again, Glitch is not really a professional output. It's slow and kind of glitchy. It has a little bit of downtime too, Glitch. One day we may come into work on something and find that Glitch is not functional. However, with all that, it's still pretty good. Okay, so that's that. I'm going to stop this video and start another one where I show you how to begin working with A-Frame, which is what we're going to use first for 3D, interactive 3D for the web.